Alright, what is going on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great Sunday today. Gonna give you guys an update on what's going on with my S2000. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so a little rundown on the car here. This is my 2003 AP1. I've had the car for close to 3 years now, and I've been dealing with the misfire code ever since I got the car. And I figured it'd be something small, something like spark plugs, coil packs, valve adjustment, but took the car to Inline Pro, got it diagnosed, and it turned out to be bent intake valves. So what I did was rebuild the head with an AP2 head, AP2 components, and matched it to my stock block, AP1 block. Then the car was running good for about a year or so, a little more than a year. Now fast forward 40,000 miles, which is not that many miles, and the misfire code is back. Now I went ahead and did a compression test the other day, and all the cylinders were fine except for cylinder 2. That one was really low at like 90 psi. So we know that something's wrong with cylinder number 2, unfortunately. Next step in the process, I guess, would be to do a leak down test, give the car a good detail, put it under a car cover, and just store it for a little while I save up some money to build this thing properly. The way I see it is, if I'm going to be spending a couple $1,000s to rebuild the block or whatever the car needs, might as well just go all out, just go boost, because I've experienced the car at stock power levels for close to 3 years, and it's a lot of fun, but you might as well just go all out once everything is opened up and you have access to everything. So that's what I'm thinking here, and that's why I definitely don't want to sell it. It's such an amazing car to own. I love driving this thing. Every time I drive it, it puts a smile on my face, and that's just something you can't really let go. There's no need to rush. I have a good daily driver, and I could just store this and build it the right way, the safe way, and later on I'll enjoy this car to the max. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Catch you guys in the next video.